Okay everyone, today we're at the Shell gas station located on Young Street near Mirlock Drive, and they have a brand new Belanger Kondor KL2. Here's Michael Rogers, Fados, Roblox, and more here. This used to be a Mark VII ChoiceWash XT until this week it has been replaced with this brand new wash. We cannot enter in the code yet. So I guess we gotta need to wait and see. 5673. Yeah. We got the ultimate wash. It was $13.99 without a gas purchase and plus tax, and it came to $15.81. I really like the signage, the new signage that glows up. This is actually my second brand new Kondor KL2. Anyways, I'll pause it for now.
I don't actually.
So guys, go ahead for the dryers. Wait till it's enter the code. With brand new. Okay, we can enter with the code.
Once it's like, okay.
There we go. There we go.
Okay. Good luck in there.
Thank you. And here we go. That's for Rafa.
I like that one.
Better for the one in Aurora. Okay, we can go ahead.
Oh, that was quick. Interesting. It's still rinsing.
Yeah. 60 seconds of our dryer time. Let's see how well it goes. The brand new Belanger air cleaning dryers. There we go. Perfect
Park over
timing.
here for our inspection.
Yep. Let's do that. But that was an interesting wash. I really like the raw for fast pusher.
But I can tell you now, I did not think the drying was that great. Look at our back window is all still wet.
Yeah. Anyways, let's see how well
Got a
it did.
rain curtain.
Well, the dryers didn't do well on the sides. Oh, he did well here. But still wet on the back. Dripping something.
That's
Yeah,
the surface protective stuff.
Still think it rinsed well after that. Yeah, you can see a lot of green stuff on the car. Little bit of soap on the back.
That's because it doesn't go around. That's because it doesn't go around the back. Apparently,
Well, yeah.
after it puts on the surface protected stuff, it doesn't go around the back.
Which is interesting. Didn't rinse off here really well. Well, that was a really interesting wash. I was not expecting that. Drive didn't do well here. Stuff like that. But Ravel did well on the front, didn't do well on the front. Like my dryer. Cleaned off the front bumper. So yeah, that was an interesting Belanger Kondor at the Shell station in Newmarket, the brand new one. This used to be a Mark VII ChoiceWash XT that I did a few months ago. If you want to see that in action, I will put the links to the description of the both soft touch and touchless wash. Anyways, I think that'll be it for me. Thank you so much for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it.